Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find user ID in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to the user list for your organization. And from there, you will be able to find the user ID. So I'm going to click on the setup and here we will find the setup menu. Simply, we need to click on setup. Now we need just to search for user. Either you can scroll from this sidebar and search for the users, then go to users, or you can simply get it easily by typing user in the quick find. So here we type users and we are interested in the specific settings. So we click on the users. Now it takes us to the users list. So from here, you will find all your users. And basically from here, you will be able to control your users. You can add users, deactivate them. You can see their detailed informations. So now I'm just going to click on this user here. And basically, those are all the details of our user here. So one of the details, we can find the username. And basically, for the username, you won't find anything concerning the ID here. And basically to find the user ID, you will simply need to look for the URL. So here in the URL, there is the specific uh, variable, which is address. And in this address, you will need just to remove these two characters, which is the 2F, and all the characters that starts from here to this percent symbol are the user ID. So in our case, this is the user ID for our user here. So basically, this is how you can get it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.